Hello and welcome to another video. I hope you are doing fine, and I'll be showing you an expert review of how you can use ChatGPT to earn up to $10,000 per month. And it will be basically a series of videos which will be providing you different like details or different niches using which you can earn a lot of money on it. But even if you watch the first video, you will be able to see a major difference of how you think ChatGPT works and how I will use it to earn money. And I will show you each and every step from start till end. It will have all the necessary information like how you will earn money, how you will use ChatGPT in it, what are you going to do. Basically, in this video, we will be doing one of the two things. The first thing is basically how you can use ChatGPT to write blogs, and it is not an ordinary kind of blog, a blog which will help you earn money. Secondly, how you can do a great SEO using ChatGPT. I will show you as that as well. So basically, let's get started. If anyone of you have not heard of ChatGPT, ChatGPT is basically an online open AI, you can say a library which you can use, and you can type in different instruction and it will give you different results. So basically, this is if you write ChatGPT on Google, you will click on the first link and this is what you will be going to see. I will be explaining each and everything still from start till end. Then you will click on try ChatGPT and you will see this page. Now, if you are using ChatGPT for the first time, click on basically sign up, and if you do not, click on login. So basically, this is the sign up button. If you click on sign up, you will just have to sign up using Google or your Microsoft account, and same for the login as well. So once you have signed up or given like you have access to the ChatGPT, now what you are going to do? Firstly, I will be showing you how much money you can earn using it. So basically, this is Fiverr, right? And basically, you can see that this is my last month income, which we have used to generate using ChatGPT, and you can use it as well. Basically, it is I think 20-day work which I've used to earn 5,000 around US dollars. And basically, I'll be firstly explaining what is an SEO. So you can see, you will simply write SEO. I've already opened different niches. This woman has already completed $3,300 starting from 15, 35, and 85. You can do this $15 work like within a minute, you can say, or within like 5 minutes maximum. Same for if I go to diff 95, 130, 165, the basic dollar or the basic order which you can do is just like in within 5 to 7 minutes. Same for I've opened different people as well. You can see how much they are earning right now. She has completed around $5,000 orders, right? And like 5,000 orders, you can see like different people have completed different orders. You can see he has already completed 69,000 orders, starting from 75 to 175. I will open up my calculator like quickly, and if I click on standard, I will not go for basic or premium. I just want to show you how much people have earned. 69,400 and up to 1,100 like standard package price. You can see how much it is, around 600, like I think 6 million something USD dollars he has earned just by using this. And I will be showing you how you can use SEO with ChatGPT to earn a lot of money. Secondly, I will be explaining you how you can use blogs or write blogs to earn a lot of money. So basically, if I go on YouTube, you can see type earn money from blogs, and you will see hundreds of videos in which people are like explaining how you can create your own blogs. But what they are not explaining is how you can use those blogs to earn money. I will go back to ChatGPT in a minute. I will be explaining you how you can do it. So basically, if I go to the next, you can see it is keywordtool.io. If I type here earn money, you can see I'm just basically using like a free version of it, and you can see earn money, like how many searches people are doing, how to earn money online, how many searches people are doing online. So if you want to write a blog related to this stuff, or you want to do SEO, both of these steps will be explained online. So basically, now what I'm going to show you, I will open up my ChatGPT. So basically I will open up and like I will write here, please help me do write blog for my website. Do you understand? I think I'll reload the page. Basically, okay, I will type here again. Can you please help me write a blog for my website? Do you understand? I will be explaining the SEO as well. You can there like the video will go very long. So basically that's why I'm just writing. I'm just showing. I've shown you SEO like SEO gigs on Fiverr. You can type or search blog as well. I do both of these things. Yes, I understand. I'll be likely to help you write a blog for a website. What topic would you like to write about? Okay, I will. How to earn money is my topic. I will provide you different details like different tags or bullet points which will help you write my blog. So do you understand? Basically now I will be providing them, yes I understand, please provide me the bullet points. Now you can see that he's literally like answering my questions. So what I will do, I will just simply go how to earn money. I will, what people may ask, you can go and see, you can use these as well, like it depends. If I click on this, I copy all of these and I will go back. Yes, I will provide you. Please do SEO of that blog as well. Do you understand? So basically what I'm trying to do is, it says that I can unincorporate SEO best practices while writing this blog, and it will help it to rank better in search engines. So I'm basically converting the blog and the SEO and combining them. So what you are going to do on Fiverr is, you will be simply offer things like you will be doing the SEOs as well as writing blogs. So what it will do, most of the people, if I go back on Fiverr, what they do is Google rankings and SEO. Like basically what they do is they provide the content is already there. Like for example, she just changes that content and make it SEO, like SEO, better SEO of it. But what I am offering right here, if I make a gig on Fiverr, which I already have, what I do, like I provide a unique service. What is that unique service? That I will write your blog and it will be SEO, organic SEO, and it will help you to earn Google rankings. So basically I am offering them two services. Okay, so here is the list of bullet points which you should use. Now I am simply, you can say I have simply write here like okay, like this. So basically, great, thank you for providing bullet points. Here is a blog post to earn money using those points optimized for SEO. This is the most important thing. Now if you go back and let it type, I'll go blog post. If I open any blog post, for example, this is the blog post, this is the title. If I go back to my ChatGPT, he is providing me the title as well. How to make money online, 20 ways to earn $100 a day in 2023. I have not even given, like, I don't think I remember even writing 20 or even 100 anywhere, or even 2023. It is providing me or writing it for me myself. So if I am already, if I just simply, what I need to do is, I will simply let it write it first and I will show you. Basically, you can see, are we looking for extra money income? Now, what the ChatGPT is doing right now is they are literally helping people or helping us to write a blog, and they are using it so that if someone similar to this, like title, type something on Google, they will open this, like they will get this link on their first page or maybe second page, because it is SEO optimized. So I will just need to literally like this, I will be just be copying it, like simply copy it and paste it on your website, and the work is done. Now, for example, now you must be wondering why I showed you the Fiverr thing. Now, what I'll show you. For example, this is my profile, right? And this person says he has completed $2,100, mark complete. So basically, if someone, you can see SEO bronze from 5 to 9 keywords for your website, 10 to 19 keywords, 20 to 40 plus keywords. Now what I will do is, I will simply copy this text which I made using ChatGPT, and I will paste it on this blog, or like I will just simply, if I not paste it, I will just simply offer the services. People will like place an order on the Fiverr. I will deliver the order just by making use of the ChatGPT, and it will help them as well as me as well. I will earn, like for example, I think it literally like took me 5 minutes to do it, and you can earn up to $500 to $750 just by using it. How simple it is. Now I will show you that you can clearly see how much money I have made already, and you can earn it as well. So like this is my 20 days work, and I took holidays for Eid as well. So if you basically like follow this entire series of ChatGPT, which I'll be explaining more stuff in the coming videos, I will be explaining how you can earn money like using ChatGPT with different, like not just by using SEO or by using blogs, by using different niche which has less competition as well, and you can earn up to $10,000 a month. Everything will be explained in like next 5 to 6 videos, and I can guarantee you that you will be a ChatGPT champion after those videos, if you watch all of those videos. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.